guys, welcome back at my channel. We've got mail. Nice. These are supposed to be the last 3 of my lanyards that I ordered from China, and it took about 3 weeks to get here, so I think that's a very good score. And I kind of forgot what I ordered, so I'm really curious what's in here and which ones did I actually pick out. I don't know. I'm gonna start with the yellow one first. Maybe I can just rip this open. Looks like a lanyard. It is! It's the Big Hero 6 one. That's cool. Big Hero 6. Here we have Baymax. Love Baymax. Oh, here's the Baymax when he's in his robot outfit. Oh, that's so cool. I like it. This one does not have a card attached to it, you know, where you can put your passes in or something. But I think I have one of those laying around. So this is cool. This is what I ordered. That's nice. I'm going to put it here. And let's open up our next baggie. It's like opening up blind bags if you don't remember what you ordered. Wow, that's really tough. To cut that open. And then I cut the lanyard. No, I did not. Oh, Minnie Mouse. Oh, this is of the same series that I got the Mickey Mouse from. This is fancy wrapped. This is the card. So it's Minnie Mouse. And you have, like, you can put something in here on this side, but you can also use floop, the other side. And there's like a name tag in here, which looks cute, by the way. I'm not going to use, but it looks cute. Cool. And let's look at this. Oh, I love that. That is so bright and colorful. Minnie Mouse, her hand, her shoes, her bow, love. Oh, and there is she's winking. Oh, I love that. Well, this goes in here. Or in here. No, in this one. Maybe I can put it together real quickly. So, and now you can carry around your park passes or your fast pass or, I don't know, $5 or something, I don't know. And then on the lanyard itself, you can put your pins for pin trading. Awesome. Love it. I picked this out really good for myself. So that's that one. And we have one left. No, need the scissors, Come on. I'm really afraid that I'm going to cut straight through the ribbon in there. Oh, right! Yes! Oh, that's weird. Okay. Oh, I love it. I love it. Oh, this is fancy. So here we have the pouch with Alice, of course, and a Cheshire Cat. That's nice. Oh, and this is also, like, you can ziplock that. So everything you put in here stays out of the rain. This is really good. I did good. Then we have the Cheshire Cat. And there's Alice. Oh, I love this. Look how pretty that is. Oh, I love this scene as well. Here with the lilies, or what's that? And here with drinking tea. Oh, that is so cool. That is so cool. I really like that. Ooh, that is so gonna be my favorite. They also sent me this, so I can apply that to the pouch as well. Like there for some other ornaments or whatever you want to hang on there. And they sent me a Spider-Man button, which is cool. cool because I like Spider-Man. Let's open this up. I did not order this, but they just put it in as a little extra or something. Okay, and you can put that on your lanyard because Spider-Man and Alice seems like the perfect combination to me. See? Already using it. Cool. Well, this was fun. So in here are all three of them together. Alice in Wonderland is definitely my favorite one. I love this. I love this. I love the ribbon. So much detail on there. This one I bought for my boyfriend because he really likes Big Hero 6 and I'm gonna find a pouch for that. And this one I'm gonna keep myself or maybe give it to someone. I don't know. I just thought they all were very cute. Even though I did not remember, I did think that they were all very cute. Love it a lot. That's so cool. It's like your own little Disney mail. Awesome. Well, this is the end of the video because there are no more bags left, unfortunately. I hope you enjoyed this. I hope you had fun. And I hope you're having an amazing day. And I'm wishing you a great, big, beautiful tomorrow. Bye, guys.